Affirmations act as powerful tools to reframe our thoughts and beliefs, helping us overcome fear, embrace change, and develop the resilience necessary to face life's obstacles. By intentionally directing affirmations towards our inner strength, we can cultivate a mindset that empowers us to rise above adversity and thrive in the face of challenges. Affirmations to overcome fear, embrace change, and navigate life's challenges. Affirmations for overcoming fear. I release fear and embrace the unknown with courage and confidence. I am stronger than my fears, and I have the power to overcome any obstacle. I trust in my ability to handle whatever comes my way. I choose to face my fears head-on, knowing that growth and strength lie on the other side. I am resilient, and I embrace fear as an opportunity for personal transformation. Affirmations for embracing change. I welcome change as a catalyst for growth and personal evolution. I am adaptable and open to new experiences and opportunities. I trust that change brings forth positive outcomes and new possibilities. I embrace uncertainty and navigate transitions with grace and resilience. I am ready to step out of my comfort zone and embrace the beauty of change. Affirmations for navigating life's challenges. I am capable of handling any challenge that comes my way. I have the inner resources and strength to overcome adversity. I see setbacks as stepping stones to success and growth. I approach challenges with a positive mindset and determination. I learn and grow from every challenge, becoming stronger with each experience. Techniques for cultivating a positive mindset and maintaining resilience. Gratitude practice. Cultivate a daily practice of expressing gratitude for the lessons learned from challenges. Write down or recite affirmations of gratitude for the strengths and qualities that help you overcome adversity. Visualization. Visualize yourself successfully navigating challenges and emerging stronger on the other side. Envision the positive outcomes and opportunities that lie beyond the current obstacles. Self-care and mindfulness. Prioritize self-care activities that nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Practice mindfulness to stay present in the face of challenges, allowing yourself to respond rather than react. Support system. Surround yourself with a supportive network of family, friends, or mentors who uplift and encourage you during difficult times. Share your affirmations with trusted individuals who can provide guidance and support. Affirmation journaling. Create an affirmation journal to document your affirmations and reflect on your progress and resilience. Write down moments of triumph and personal growth, reinforcing your ability to overcome challenges. Affirmations to cultivate mental clarity, focus, and positive thinking. Affirmations for mental clarity. My mind is clear, focused, and capable of handling any task at hand. I release mental clutter and embrace a calm and focused state of mind. I am fully present in the moment, allowing clarity and understanding to flow effortlessly. I trust my intuition to guide me towards clarity and wise decision-making. I attract mental clarity and welcome creative solutions to any challenges I face. Affirmations for focus. I am fully engaged and focused on the task at hand. My concentration and focus are unwavering, allowing me to accomplish my goals. I prioritize my time and energy on activities that align with my vision and purpose. I let go of distractions and stay committed to my goals with unwavering focus. I have the mental discipline to stay focused on what truly matters to me. Affirmations for positive thinking. I choose to see the positive in every situation and embrace a positive mindset. I attract positive experiences and opportunities into my life. I release negative thoughts and replace them with empowering and uplifting ones. I am worthy of happiness, abundance, and success, and I embrace a positive outlook on life. I radiate positivity, uplifting myself and those around me with my thoughts and words. Nurturing physical health, vitality, and well-being through affirmations. Affirmations for nurturing physical health, vitality, and well-being. Affirmations for physical health. I respect and care for my body by making choices that promote my overall health and well-being. Every cell in my body is filled with vitality and radiates good health. I am in tune with my body's needs and provide it with nourishment, exercise, and rest. I am committed to a healthy lifestyle that supports my physical well-being. My body is a vessel of health, energy, and vitality, and I treat it with love and gratitude. Affirmations for vitality and energy. I am full of vibrant energy and vitality, ready to embrace each day with enthusiasm. My energy is limitless, and I approach every task with zest and passion. I nourish my body and mind with activities and practices that invigorate and rejuvenate me. I attract and radiate positive energy, uplifting myself and those around me. My vitality shines through in everything I do, enhancing my overall well-being. Affirmations for gratitude. I am grateful for the abundance and blessings in my life, big and small. I appreciate the present moment and find joy in the simple pleasures of life. I express gratitude for the lessons learned from challenges and setbacks. I attract more blessings and abundance into my life through the power of gratitude. Gratitude is the foundation of my spiritual practice, bringing peace and fulfillment. Affirmations for mindfulness. I am fully present in each moment, embracing the beauty and richness of life. I observe my thoughts and emotions with non-judgmental awareness. I practice mindfulness in all aspects of my life, bringing clarity and peace to my mind. I connect with the present moment, allowing it to unfold with curiosity and acceptance. Mindfulness is my pathway to inner peace and connection with the present. Affirmations for connection. I am connected to the divine energy that flows through all living beings. I cultivate meaningful connections with others, nurturing relationships with love and authenticity. I am part of a larger interconnected web of life, and my actions have ripple effects in the world. I embrace the power of unity and connection, understanding that we are all connected at a deeper level. Connection with myself and others brings joy, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose to my life. Remember that the true power of affirmations lies in consistent practice and belief. Embrace the journey of self-discovery, self-nurturing, and connection with the support of these resources, and unleash the transformative magic of affirmations in your life. Thanks for watching.